Performance, productivity, and exceptional harvest experience. GoHarvest. Get the most out of your S-Series combine today. Before beginning any procedure, follow safety instructions and understand all safety decals according to the operator manual. Always use seat belts when operating the machine or riding as an observer. If you are parking and leaving the machine, move the multifunction lever to the neutral position, disengage the harvesting unit and separator, and shut off the machine. Apply parking brake, remove the key, and lock the operator's cab. The following video is a quick reference guide for using HarvestSmart feed rate control on your S-Series combine. The HarvestSmart system varies ground speed to maintain a constant feed rate, to maximize productivity and reduce operator stress. First, operate the machine with HarvestSmart off at the desired throughput and grain loss levels. Follow these steps to calibrate the vision track screen on the display. First, select H, the combine setup icon. Then select G, the crop setup icon. Now select the calibration icon. The grain loss calibration factor will be displayed. There are two ways to access HarvestSmart. You can either press the HarvestSmart button on the armrest to view the setup page, or you can press Combine Setup icon H from the Combine homepage. Then from the second page, press the HarvestSmart icon J to go to the HarvestSmart homepage. There are three HarvestSmart modes: Off, Smart, and Capacity. Pressing the HarvestSmart button again on the armrest toggles between modes. Smart Mode monitors grain loss levels with Vision Track to ensure the system is at operator-designated levels. When loss monitor levels are consistently above or below operator-desired levels, the system decreases or increases machine ground speed. Capacity Mode uses engine load and rotor pressure to maintain a constant material flow. Capacity Mode does not adjust the grain loss Vision Track monitor. Use Capacity Mode when the machine reacts aggressively to Vision Track crop losses. After Smart or Capacity Mode has been enabled, push button 2 or 3 on the multifunction lever to activate HarvestSmart. Then move the multifunction lever slowly all the way forward to allow the system to increase speed according to crop conditions and max set speed setting. The operator limits maximum ground speed at all times by pulling back on the multifunction lever, for example, when header-limited conditions are present. The HarvestSmart setup page shows the operator target pressure and max engine power. Target pressure shows the actual rotor pressure, which is equivalent to the crop throughput and can be adjusted by using the plus or minus icons. Max engine power shows the actual engine load against the target engine load. It too can be adjusted by using the plus or minus icons. The Advanced Settings icon allows the operator to adjust the max harvest speed and sensitivity of the system. To change the advanced settings, select the box to set the desired speed or sensitivity. Use the keypad on the screen to set the desired value and then press Accept when finished. The HarvestSmart calibration icon sets material flow and loss level targets for HarvestSmart. This will also change the previous grain loss calibration factor. Press the Diagnostic icon for further details on HarvestSmart diagnostic status. When all 4 quadrants are satisfied, the symbol will be green. HarvestSmart is now enabled and activated. The yellow indicates the lever position is limited. HarvestSmart is activated, but the operator has control. During unloading, the multifunction lever response is limited to prevent sudden ground speed changes. Deactivate the system by pulling back on the multifunction lever. When the auger is shut off, the system will reactivate after pushing the multifunction lever fully forward again. Once activation button 1 is pressed, HarvestSmart is deactivated. The machine will accelerate to the multifunction lever position, returning full control of the multifunction lever to the operator. This video is intended to be a quick reference for HarvestSmart on the S-Series combines. For further and more detailed instructions, please consult the operator's manual or contact your John Deere dealer.